meet this guy, Sao Hang Bol. This guy will take you into the train station, very deep, and then you'll have to go to his restaurant. So what we did, we ditched this guy. You want to go sit in the beginning or where? What space? I don't know, you want to go in the beginning or what? Boys, time for the famous train. God knows if it's good, maybe it's stupid, but we're eating in front of the train, so. That's a little bit scary. It's like that, everything gets put back in its place, life goes back to normal. Jesus! Where are we going? So boys, we just finished the train. What's your feelings about your train?
It's kind of cool because just like the distance is like what, dude? It's just like this.
In your face, you can break your hand. or lose your foot.
It's a cool experience. You must try when you're
So in communist Sao Lak Dong, the scammers are not as bad. They're trying to scam you only for like 1 dirham or whatever, and then you catch them and they get upset. But no one is begging for money, and in some restaurants, no tips, boys. It says do not tip. So, nice place. I didn't see any homeless people, which is weird for a poor country, but nice. Anyway, we don't know what to do anymore. Day 2 is cooked. We had a plan, but the plan seems boring, so yeah, bro. Guys, we're in the Lotte Mall. They have international brands.
This is Dorian. They said it's
Shopping in Vietnam.
this is not 0. Yeah, 5.
Of course, guys, go to a fucking Kmart or a Minimart. Don't come to the mall for groceries. Who's busy?
Crazy busy.
You will die.
Anytime of the day.
I'm just glad to go home. To
Finally,
suck my
you
left nut.
guys.
Boys, we just made our own meal. This is a sak long dong. First Vietnamese meal.
Yeah, authentic.
Also, like, subscribe, and these nuts.